Hi, Pat Battle here with Living Web Farms, here on my own property for another installment of our Resilience Daily series, which we're doing in cooperation with the Organic Growers School. And this is a quickie about protecting your blueberries from birds. Birds love to eat your blueberries. Robins particularly seem to love the blueberries on this property. And they have cleaned this one up. There's not a blueberry to be had. This was an early blueberry and they're all gone. I just didn't get to them quick enough to protect them. But this one here is another story. There's a nice crop you can see of blueberries to pick. And shouldn't really have to have a Resilience Daily about this. It's pretty easy. Just put some netting around them, right? But there's a key piece to remember, and that's why I wanted to do a quickie on this. And that is that snakes crawl along the ground, and if they come upon this netting, the nature of their scales is that they get caught in it, and the more they try to get out of it, the more tangled they get. It can be a not pretty sight. And so we want to protect the snakes in the world, so what I recommend is something like chicken wire on the bottom, and then the netting on the top. And that allows you to be kind of loose in the construction. You don't have to attach the netting real tight. The chicken wire, literally, I didn't bother to even cut it because this is a temporary structure. I just rolled it around and left it on the roll. I'll just roll it back up when I'm done. These are tomato stakes. I can get these at Troy's greenhouse. They're pretty reasonable. Basically, I didn't even drive them in very deep. This is not a strong structure. I mean, it's strong enough that it won't fall down in a thunderstorm, but I want it to be easy to take apart. It's just long enough to keep the birds off the blueberries. It's also easy to open up. I can roll the chicken wire back and just lift this up, peel it over, come in and harvest the blueberries and put it back together in a matter of 5 minutes. And so that's it. That's how to protect your blueberries. You gotta get on it quick, folks. I mean, I didn't move quick enough and I didn't get any blueberries from this bush at all. So know that the birds will not delay. You may delay, but just as the berries just ripen, they'll be hitting them. They actually don't even wait for them to be dead ripe. As they're just ripe, they'll come in and they'll hit it and clean you up really quickly. And that's it for this How to Protect Your Blueberries one. Remember to check us out at our Instagram at Living Web Farms, and we'll catch you next time.